Get precise fastening control and the high torque you need for the most demanding applications without the cord. The MAKITA 18V LXT Brushless High Torque Half-Inch Square Drive Impact Wrench. The efficient brushless motor delivers a full 740 foot-pounds of max torque and 1180 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. This is your cordless solution for turning stubborn lug nuts, mudsill bolts, and more. For added precision when you need it, the 3-speed power selection switch adjusts the speed and torque to match the application. The MAKITA brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. And it has no carbon brushes, so it runs cooler and more efficiently for longer life. At less than 8 pounds with battery, it has half the weight of a top corded model, but more torque and no cord. The kit includes 2 fast-charging 4-amp-hour batteries, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. This powerful fastening solution is a must-have for iron workers, steel workers, automotive mechanics, forming carpenters, and more.